Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7362 on a Volkswagen Atlas. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing for future installs. To begin, locate the center line of the rear of the vehicle. Based off of this point, follow the guidelines in your instructions to trim your bumper to allow access for the hitch receiver. Next, locate the 6 holes on the underside of the vehicle. There will be 3 on each side. Thread the supplied bolt fissure through the large hole towards the front of the vehicle and out the hole closest to the bumper. Attach a bolt, star washer, and plate washer to the coiled end. Pull the fissure through so the hardware sits flush inside the frame. Repeat, going from the large hole to the middle hole. Be careful not to push the hardware back into the frame. Repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle. Now you can lift your EcoHitch into place over the bolts. Secure with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Torque down all the hardware. Your installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torquelift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.